Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with Essentials. Make sure VS Code is installed and matches your OS architecture, then open the exact project folder you'll work in. Once done, enable autosave so edits persist and create a new file with the appropriate extension. JS, Py, HTML, so language features activate. You'll also install one core extension now, like the language pack or linter, and restart VS Code briefly so the extension registers. You now configure the editor to match your workflow. Open Settings, JSON and Set Editor. Font size, tab size, and format on save so code stays consistent across machines. Next, install a formatter and a linter, then bind shortcuts for format and lint commands so you run them in one keystroke. Use the integrated terminal to run npm, pip, or make commands. Create tasks. JSON for repeatable builds. Once configured, you'll notice faster iteration and fewer style errors during development. You finish by setting breakpoints and using the debug panel to run your program, step through code, and inspect variables and call stacks. Make or adjust launch. JSON to handle multiple runtimes or test suites and save a workspace settings file for team sharing. Finally, if something breaks, slow startup, errant behavior, restart VS Code with extensions disabled to isolate the issue, then re-enable them one at a time to find the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.